In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send your first invoice in Zoho Books. Using Zoho Books for your invoicing needs is a smart choice, especially if you're looking for an efficient way to manage your business finances. So, let's get started, step by step. First, you'll want to navigate over to the Sales section in the Zoho Books interface. Once you've signed in, you'll find the sidebar on your screen's left side. Look for the section labeled Sales and click on it. This will take you to another menu where you can see invoices listed. Click on Invoices, and this is where all your invoicing magic happens. Now that you're inside the Invoices section, look towards the top corner of your screen where you'll notice a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on this button to start creating a fresh invoice. This step is crucial as it opens up all the fields and options you need to craft your invoice. Next up, you need to specify who you're billing. Zoho Books makes this simple. In the new invoice form that appears, you'll notice a drop-down menu where you can select your customer. If you've previously entered your client's information into Zoho Books, you should see their names in this list. Choose the correct customer to whom this invoice will be sent. If they're a new client, you might need to spend a moment to add them to your contacts before continuing. With your customer selected, it's time to add the items you're billing for. This includes any products or services you provided to the client. In the invoice form, you'll see fields to enter details like the item description, the quantity, and the rate. Carefully fill these out so your client knows exactly what they're being billed for. It's this transparency that ensures good communication and a smooth business relationship. Before finalizing the invoice, make sure to review the total amount. As you enter your items, Zoho Books automatically calculates the total for you, but it's always a good idea to double-check. In this same area, there's a section for adding notes or terms. You might want to include payment terms or any other relevant information that you think is important for your client to know. Once everything looks good and you're satisfied with the invoice, it's time to send it off. You'll see a button labeled Save and Send. Click this, and it'll allow you to email the invoice directly to the customer. Zoho Books will handle the emailing process, making it simple and efficient for you. And there you have it. Sending an invoice in Zoho Books is that straightforward. By using Zoho Books, you can streamline your billing process and maintain professional relations with your clients. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy invoicing.